Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
The sunflower is not only stunningly beautiful, it produces seeds that have multiple health benefits and are a popular ingredient used in cooking. Wondrous Nature's Gift, Radiant Sunflower, Part 2 of 3, Vegan Artichoke and Sunflower Seed Patty Burger, and Vegan Sunflower Seed Basil Pesto Pasta.
Go ahead and make war, 'cause you'll be more and more ugly, and your girlfriend or your wife will run away from you faster than you could imagine.
¿Cómo estás? It's a friendly way of saying how are you in Spanish. I am Livia. The warm-hearted Cubans pray with you for a vegan world that will deliver lasting peace and save all sentient beings on our beautiful planet. God bless. Welcome to our show, Wondrous Nature's Gift, Radiant Sunflower, Part 2 of 3. Vegan Artichoke and Sunflower Seed Patty Burger, and Vegan Sunflower Seed Basil Pesto Pasta. Last week, in Part 1 of our show, we learned about the amazing sunflower and the multiple health benefits and healing effects of sunflower seeds. Today, we will use these marvelous sunflower seeds to make some very tasty comfort foods. Let's start with our first dish, vegan artichoke and sunflower seed patty burgers. Artichoke, also called artichoke heart, is the edible flower bud of the thistle plant, and many refer to it as the king of vegetables due to its shape resembling a king's crown. They have a rich, delicate, flavorful taste and amazing health benefits. People in the West usually cook them in unsalted water or marinate them in herbal oil. We will first make the vegan patties. Start by using a blender to puree the vegetables. Put in half a cup of cubed carrots, half a cup of basil leaves, 1 cup of oil to marinate the artichoke hearts, and 1 cup of cubed cooked potatoes. The potatoes will help our vegan patties bind well. You can replace potatoes with sweet potato or brown rice. Cover the lid and puree for 1 minute. Then we add 1 tablespoon of fruit vinegar, half a tablespoon of vegan Dijon mustard, half a cup of sunflower seeds, half a tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a tablespoon of white vegan miso. Puree for 20 seconds. We will add the remaining dry ingredients, 1/4 of a cup of nutritional yeast, 2/3 of a cup of oatmeal, like potatoes, which helps to bind the ingredients together. You may season with some salt and pepper. Continue to blend until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Next, we will start forming the patties. Let's first brush a large plate with some vegetable oil to prevent sticking. Scoop about 3 tablespoons of the mixture and shape it into a ball with both hands. And then flatten it to form a patty. We can make about 5 to 6 patties from this recipe. Next, we will fry the patties. Heat some olive oil in a non-stick pan at low heat. Add in 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary and fry for about 30 seconds. And then move them to the side of the pan. Now, the room is filled with the aroma of fried rosemary. Place 2 vegan patties in the frying pan and fry for approximately 6 minutes or until golden brown. Then flip it over and fry the other side. When the bottom of the vegan patties turns golden brown, top it with 1 slice of vegan cheese on each one and leave them in the pan for 1 more minute until the vegan cheese slices begin to melt. We are now ready to assemble our burger. Our vegan burger bun has been sliced in half. Spread a generous amount of vegan mayonnaise on both sides of the bun. Adding vegan mayonnaise will make the burger juicier, tastier, and more mouth-watering. Place some lettuce leaves on the bottom half of the bun. Then add the fried vegan patties with vegan cheese slices, a tomato slice, another layer of lettuce leaves, a handful of sunflower sprouts, and finally cover with the top side of the bun. Use a skewer to secure the burger bun. Voila! Our delicious homemade vegan burger is ready. Enjoy! Our vegan artichoke and sunflower seed patties are appetizing, versatile, and rich in protein. They are also ideal accompaniments to other foods such as baked potatoes, cooked rice, quinoa, millet, couscous, polenta, and salad are just a few suggestions. You can also slice them and use them for wraps, tortillas, or tacos, together with some salad and avocado. We are sure you will come up with your own creative ways of using these delightful vegan patties.
If food causes my brother or sister to sin, I will never eat meat again, so that I may not cause one of them to sin. Corinthians 8:13, Holy Bible, Christianity.
Benevolent viewers, we will pause for a moment to take a walk in the sunflower fields to enjoy the sunshine and fresh air. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. We will be right back. Welcome back to our show, Wondrous Nature's Gift, Radiant Sunflower, Part 2 of 3. vegan artichoke and sunflower seed patty burger, and vegan sunflower seed basil pesto pasta. Now we will cook our second dish, vegan sunflower seed basil pesto. Pesto is a sauce originating in Genoa in the Liguria region of northern Italy, traditionally mainly made of pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and fresh basil leaves. Today we will substitute sunflower seeds to replace pine nuts and veganize Parmesan cheese by using nutritional yeast. To replace the basil leaves, you can also use other herbs like mint, parsley, fresh coriander, or greens like kale or spinach. First, we put 2 cups of freshly washed basil leaves into the blender and use a spatula to press down. Then add half a cup of raw or roasted sunflower seeds, half a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, salt to taste, some freshly ground mixed peppers, half a cup of olive oil, and half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Blending for around 1 minute and 30 seconds, using the pause button of the blender for better control. Use the tamper to help blend. After well blended, scoop out the pesto from the blender jug into a bowl. Our pesto is ready to be topped on pizzas, spread on focaccia, bruschetta, or sandwiches. It will enhance the flavor of your minestrone soup or serve as a dressing for steamed veggies or mixed salads. Today, we will toss our vegan sunflower seed basil pesto on some warm, freshly cooked pasta. Let's sauté the vegetables first. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan at low temperature. Add in 200 grams of cut asparagus and a pinch of salt, then stir fry. Then add in your favorite fresh mushrooms and a pinch of Italian mixed herbs and continue to stir fry. Today, we'll use 150 grams of VEG mushrooms. Add 100 grams of diced red bell pepper. And season with smoked paprika or cayenne pepper if you like the dish to be spicy. Stir well. Add 150 grams of vegan omni pork strip or your favorite vegan protein. Some water and some freshly ground pepper. Stir well, turn off the heat. It's time to cook the pasta. The pot of water is boiling, and we have put in 1 teaspoon of salt. Add in 250 grams of pasta and cook until al dente. Please check the pasta package for detailed cooking instructions. When the pasta is cooked, let the water drain away and transfer the pasta into a large bowl. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sunflower seed basil pesto and drizzle a similar amount of boiled water onto the pasta. Toss the pasta and pesto until well mixed. To plate the pasta, first place some freshly cut lettuce leaves. The pesto-tossed pasta. And some of the stir-fried veggies. Finally, sprinkle some sunflower seeds and garnish with fresh basil leaves. Here is our delicious and aromatic vegan pasta with sunflower seed basil pesto. So, let's dig in.
Ingredients. For all ingredients, please use organic versions if available. For the vegan artichoke sunflower seed patties, the ingredients are half cup of cubed carrots, half cup of fresh basil leaves or parsley leaves, mint leaves, 1 cup of oil marinated artichoke hearts, 1 cup of potatoes pre-cooked in salted water, half cup of sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon of fruit vinegar, half tablespoon of vegan Dijon mustard or yellow vegan mustard sauce, half tablespoon of olive oil, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, optional, half teaspoon of ground cumin, optional, half tablespoon of white vegan miso, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 2/3 cup of oatmeal, salt and pepper to taste. For pan frying vegan patties, half tablespoon of olive oil or other vegetable oil, 2 sprigs of rosemary. For the vegan burgers, the ingredients are 4 vegan burger buns, 4 artichoke sunflower seed patties, 4 slices of vegan cheese, 4 large tomato slices, 1/3 cup of vegan mayonnaise, several pieces of lettuce leaves or vegan coleslaw, half cup of sunflower sprouts. For the vegan sunflower seed basil pesto, the ingredients are 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, half cup of raw or roasted sunflower seeds, half tablespoon of nutritional yeast, optional, salt and pepper to taste, half cup of extra virgin olive oil, half tablespoon of lemon juice. For the vegan sunflower seed basil pesto pasta, the ingredients are 250 grams of vegan pasta, 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegan sunflower seed basil pesto. For the stir-fried vegetables, 200 grams of asparagus spears, a pinch of salt, 150 grams of fresh mushrooms, 100 grams of red bell pepper, 1 pack or 150 grams of vegan omni pork strip, a pinch of Italian mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, some smoked paprika or cayenne pepper, optional, some ground pepper, garnished basil leaves.
Vegan, because we cannot forsake our principles for a piece of rotten flesh.
Enlightened viewers, we are glad that you could join us today. Please join us next Sunday for part 3 of our show, when we will share with you how to make a savory sunflower seed crepe. Plus, we will also be making a special treat called vegan Ukrainian sunflower seed halva. Up next is The United Spirit of the Ukrainian People Shines Before the World, part 2 of 12, on Between Master and Disciples, right after noteworthy news. May you enjoy heaven's blessings and protection always.
For free international vegan recipes and for language availability, please visit suprememastertv.com/VEG and suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Pour des recettes véganes internationales gratuites et voir les langues disponibles, veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/VEG et suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Para recetas veganas internacionales gratuitas y para disponibilidad de idiomas, visiten suprememastertv.com/VEG y suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Po darmowe międzynarodowe wegańskie przepisy i dostępność języków prosimy zobaczyć suprememastertv.com/VEG oraz suprememastertv.com/schedule.